Now, I want y'all to look at that right there, boy. That is a load of poplar lumber. That's some good looking stuff, too. Look at that right there. Yeah, boy, that's 11 12-inch boards, 2 10-inch boards, and 2 9-inch boards. That all came out of that big son of a beast poplar log I had up on the mill. If you hadn't seen that video, go back and check it out. This was looking a little bit better last night when it was a fresh cut, but I did the old Matt Cremona water toss on it, give you a little bit better idea what the grain looks like. Man, that's gonna be some good looking lumber for old buddy John. John, if you watching my videos, and I know you don't, somebody tell him your lumber's ready, son.